Good morning, everyone. We are certainly motoring along. We're in week 4 now, which is pretty good. Things are going pretty fast, I think. Just introduction to this week's material. This week we're talking about the FACE and TMJ. Of course, we are also we need to talk about some of the principles of assessment we didn't cover last week. If you go into Blackboard, again, you'll find all the materials listed here in the week 4 folder, or lesson plan for the week, the Cornell notes, weekly slides, both in PowerPoint and Google Slide format, and a lab handout. For optional resources, you will find that there is a no marks quiz. Again, 10 questions. Take it as many times as you like. I'll just pop in here for a sec. Other things you'll find: the Canadian Guideline on Concussion in Sport. This is from our friends at Parachute. Really good. It includes a wealth of information around concussions, including the themes around management of concussions, as well as assessment tools. The BESS balance error scoring system is used fairly commonly, and we'll be talking about that in class. The head and neck tool, the neck tool and headache navigator rather, is from our friends at the Center for Effective Practice. Really good resource in terms of differentiating headaches, different types of headaches, red flags, of course. The Headache Impact Test, or HIT6, is a very easy tool that you can use with your clients just to identify if, in fact, headache is actually impacting on their activities of daily living. And the last one here is just a headache diary, where being able to actually record some of the signs and symptoms might give an idea as to what that person is presenting with. So that's it for now. Please join me on Tuesday in lab. Make sure you bring your stethoscopes, and we'll look at all this stuff, which is going to be great. See you then.